friends, this is another interesting case. Many times we finished our phaco and one piece of nucleus suddenly disappears. So you finished your phaco, you come out, and then when you go in to do a IA, you realize that one piece is still lying in the subincisional area. So if it's such a large piece, it's not going to come out through your main incision. Best way to tackle this is what is shown in this video.
Hello friends, this is another interesting case. We all feel that yes, our phaco is completed and the last piece has disappeared. But once in a while you will be starting your bimanual IA and you'll suddenly realize that, oh, where does this piece come from? So it's a story of a lost piece again. So I finished my phaco and all the pieces are out. I've started my bimanual IA and there you see there's a big piece lying at the level of the incision. It was actually sub-iris and then it came up. So this big large piece cannot actually be got out of the incision itself by bimanual IA. We don't really have any other choice but to put a viscoelastic, put the posterior capsule away, very very important, and then take the phaco and remove the piece that was there slowly and gently.